Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and I want y'all to answer a question for me. Every time I purchase a vehicle, I have to do something unique to it to make it mine. Is that weird? Well, I bought something for my car and it's unique, and I am going to show you what it is.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need
I am going to take my car seats from looking like this to looking like that. If you want to see how I'm going to do this, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let's get to it, guys. Everything about the parts that I will be using will be in the description box below. This headset replacement is going to come in 3 pieces. It's going to have the button. It's going to have the bodywork part here. And it's going to have this piece here. So I am going to open up all these pieces and it's just going to fit over, okay? And it's just going to fit over. Sorry about the filming, but I'm doing this on the fly. See how nice that fits over? And on the inside, it's just got the 3M tape, and you just fit it on there like that. And then, you know, just put the pieces where they need to go. Right here is where the button go, and that comes with a separate piece too. I got my package here, and I am going to open up and show you what I got. All right, guys, so we are in my car, and this is my headrest cover. I know it's dark. So the first piece I am going to install is the button. It looks like this, and it goes right here, and it's got the 3M tape piece on the back. But yeah, this is how it looks. And it'll go on the side button right here. So right now I'm just applying pressure to it. See that? Just applying pressure to it. Works pretty good. It fits pretty good. I'll try to put everything in the description box down below. So I'm just going to make sure that the area is clean. Make sure that the area is clean. This is the middle piece right here. This is the piece that goes around it. Look at the carbon fiber on there. And it all fits on this piece back here. See what I'm saying? Like I said, the piece is a carbon fiber piece. Comes with 3M tape on the inside. I know it's bad filming, but I'm just going to peel off the 3M tape, and I'm just going to apply it because it's going to fit over this piece like that. And on the inside, it's just, you know, the 3M tape, you know. Guys, I don't even have it all the way on there yet, and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Do you see that? I haven't put the middle piece right here on, but look at the difference. Look at the difference. This is the, what you call that carbon fiber that I got on the inside, on the dash and everything. And this is just bringing it all the way out. So now I'm going to put this piece on right here. See, now this piece right here, it's going to fit right here. I love it. Look at that. It's going to fit just right there. And they fit in together all really nice. That's the button. That's this piece. And this is this piece. So now, only thing I'm doing is, you know, taking out, you know, the red ribbon. Well, you know, the tape piece. Have you guys subscribed yet and hit the like button? Now I'm having a problem with this piece, but you have to have your headrest pushed forward in order to make it stick, because this is the only piece that's trying to come off. But let me see. Have it forward when you put this piece on. This is the only piece that I think I have a problem with. But I'm going to go get some more 3M tape and try to, you know, make it double thick. But, yeah, just have your headrest forward when you put that piece on. Because I can see that this may pop off. So I'm just going to take the tape off and I'll be back. Just apply pressure. Make sure that that tape, you know, is sticking. Okay? And it will go into its own spot pretty good. It will go into its own spot pretty good. Now, I got these two pieces on. My headrest is moving pretty good. But I'm going to tell you now, for this piece here, I'm going to push my headrest out because it needs to go down and under this groove here. And this last piece here goes on here. This last piece goes on here, and it needs to fit down into this little curved part here. So I got my headrest leaning forward. So let me get this ready. And guys, I like to like dry fit it before, you know, I put it on. You know, dry fit it. Make sure it's going to go on there right. And I know I got to get that part down into that groove. So yeah. Now when it comes to this piece right here, guys, like I said before, I'm having the same problem with just this piece here. See how it's coming off? I know. And the tape is off. The tape is off, but that fit right there is rough. So I know I'm going to have to replace tape on this piece, you know, because this is not fitting well on this part here. Like I said, everything else fit pretty good, but this piece right here, it's like it's giving me, this piece right here, sort of like giving me problems. So I don't know. I don't know. I still like it though. But I wouldn't give it a complete 10 because I got more space here. I don't know if y'all can see this. I wish I had more light. I have more space here on this seat than I do on this seat, if you can see it. But I'm still not discouraged. But I would give this, because of that little part right here that just don't want to fit, I think I would just give this a 7. I give the whole thing a 7. All right, guys, I am going to continue to play, you know, with the car and, you know, the pieces that I bought for it and everything. So stay tuned for other great sales and deals that I find to help you upgrade your car. But guys, thumbs up this video, like this video, because it helps my channel grow. Keep coming back, looking at the different things that I have in store for you guys. But I can actually say I am excited about the upgrade of how, you know, the back of my seat, headrest seat, rest look. I'm very excited about it. Like I said, from a scale of 1 to 10, I will give it a 7, maybe a 7.5. This is not discouraging. All right, guys, well, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Thanks for spending this day with me. Thumbs up this video, like this video, share this video, because it helps my channel grow. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need